Hey guys, welcome. We just got a few small after the fourth items. Two of these green neon Mega Banger sparklers, and one of these two-colored pair helicopters. So we'll just flight sparkler. Sorry about that, I thought someone just pulled up, but we're just gonna light it this way. It's burning more like a purple color. I don't know how well you can tell from the camera. It's burning very purple. More like a blue. It's really hard to tell on camera. Actually, these might have been the blue sparklers. No, I'm thinking about it. Light another one. You might be able to tell a real little bit. Yeah. I believe some big stuff's coming up next month. I think I'm going to Sheldon's up in Indiana. See what stuff they have there. I've always heard of Shelton's, but it'll be interesting to see what they have. And with all that, I might film some in there. Just depends on what I'm doing with my phone. If I'm using a calculator or what. But yeah. Oh, this thing's like 2 years old, by the way. That one works pretty well, but thank you all for watching. Okay, so I lied. We have a pack of jumping jacks and then a ground bloom. Forgot I brought them out, but yeah. So, let's see these jumping jacks first. That kind of sucked. Recently, they haven't been working as well. Like, I haven't got a good pack of jumping jacks out of this entire brick. Just a lot of them don't do anything. All right, here goes a ground bloom. World class, by the way. All right. Now, thank you guys for watching.